What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to remote into any Windows PC on your home network without installing any software. Whether you want to access another PC for work, control a media server or manage files from across the house, remote desktop makes it super easy. Let's get straight into it. The first step is to enable remote desktop on a target PC. Before you can connect, the computer you want to control must have remote desktop turned on. Now this is my target PC. Press the Windows key on your target PC and type Remote Desktop Settings. Click on the result. Make sure Remote Desktop is toggled on. If this is off, the PC will reject all incoming RDP connections. Turn it on. Confirm the prompt and you are good to go. The next step is to get the computer name or IP address. Now, we will be doing this in two ways. The first option is using the PC name. On your target PC, press the Windows key and then type View PC Name. Click on the result. Note down the PC name. This name rarely changes and makes connecting easier. Now my target PC will be my computer 2. Now on my computer 1, I'll make sure remote desktop is also enabled on that one. So I'll just click on the Windows search and type remote desktop settings. I'll click on the result and I'll make sure remote desktop is toggled on. Next, I'll click on the Windows search again and type remote desktop connection and I'll click on the result. Under General, enter the computer name of your target PC, and this is the name of my target PC. Then you move down to the username. Enter the username of your target PC. I already have it here. Next, you click on Connect. They might ask you for a password of the target PC. You go ahead and enter the password. Then you click OK. Then you click Yes to continue. Now, after a few seconds, you will see you are inside the remote machine. You can use it exactly like you are sitting in front of it. You can work on files, apps, manage settings. Everything works through your network. When you are done, you can simply press on the close button. Then you click OK to continue. Now for the second option, we will be using the IP address. On your target PC, click on the Windows search. Type CMD. Hit enter on your keyboard. Type Ipconfig. Find the line that says IPv4 address. This method also works, but IP addresses can change depending on your router. Go ahead and just copy the IP address. Click on the Windows search and type Remote Desktop Connection. Click on the results. Click on Show More Options. Under the computer name, type the IP address of your target PC. For the username, it is optional. You can either choose to enter the username of the target PC or not. I'll go ahead and just enter mine. Then I'll click Connect. You'll be asked to enter the password of the target PC. Click OK to continue. Then you click Yes. After a few seconds again, you will be inside the remote machine and you can use it exactly like you are sitting in front of it. That's all for this tutorial. If this helped you, hit that like button, drop your questions in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful Windows tips and tricks. See you in the next one.